Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In today's video, we're discussing the benefits of grouping plants with similar water needs. Let's dive in. Grouping plants with similar water requirements helps ensure each plant gets the right amount of water. This prevents overwatering plants that need less water and underwatering those that need more. By organizing your plants this way, you can create a more efficient and manageable watering schedule. It simplifies your gardening routine and promotes healthier plant growth. Here's how to group your plants effectively. First, identify the water requirements of each plant in your garden. Next, arrange plants with similar water needs together. For example, group drought-tolerant plants separately from those that need frequent watering. Finally, establish watering zones in your garden based on these groups. This allows you to customize your watering schedule for each zone. Grouping plants not only makes watering more efficient, but also helps conserve water and ensures that each plant thrives. It's an eco-friendly and effective way to manage your garden. Grouping plants is a simple yet impactful technique for efficient watering. Try it out and see how it transforms your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!